Shy here. Today I'll be making a Halloween-themed whipped soap, which I named October 31st. Whipped soap is also known as bath butter or foaming sugar scrubs. If you're into spooky season like me, then you'll want to stick around for this video. Fun fact, my birthday is actually on Halloween, so it's always extra fun for me. These were so much fun to make. I used the typical Halloween colors and used pumpkin crunch cake fragrance oil from Nature's Garden, and it's the perfect fragrance for Halloween and smells so good. This recipe size makes about 4 4-ounce jars, which with the little left over, which I always use for samples or to use for myself. You don't need too many ingredients to make these, and you can even skip some of the ingredients I used or substitute them. I'll be putting the substitutions in the description box. Now on to the video. try these out real quick, but I don't have the best camera, so it didn't really do these scrubs justice as far as showing the lather. These made my skin super soft, and oh my gosh, these smell so good. I usually don't like cake or bakery scents, but these smell so good. The scent reminds me of fall mixed with cinnamon. It's just perfect for Halloween. Here's the finished product. The sprinkles are actually soap sprinkles, and I also top them off with black eco-friendly glitter. I often get asked if the consistency stays the same with my whipped soap and sugar scrubs, and the answer is yes, they do. I can leave the lid off these for a week and the consistency will be the exact same. Whipped soap can actually be used in place of regular soap, or you can do what I do and use them after bathing with regular soap. You can make yours without the sugar. I just like the added exfoliation that the sugar provides. These are available on my website for anybody wanting to purchase one. Thanks for watching.